Telegram not sending code. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can solve if Telegram is not sending you code, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now sometimes what happens is that whenever you open the Telegram application here and then you tap the start messaging option, you enter your phone number, but then the problem is that it doesn't send you the code. Now if it says too many attempts, you need to try later. It doesn't send you the code. Now sometimes what happens is that if it is an old account that you're trying to log in somewhere else, instead of sending the code, because you might be expecting the code on your SMS app, which is the messaging app, instead of sending that, Telegram will try to send the code to the previous devices where your account is still logged in, which means that if your account is still logged in on your desktop, it is going to send a verification code to the Telegram app on that desktop, so you have to check the Telegram code over there. If it is still not sending you, I want you to make sure that your phone numbers are correct and do not try from the same page over and over again. Long press the Telegram app icon, you'll find the I button, tap on the I info button, and from here you can go to storage. You can make sure to clear the cache files, go to manage storage, and then also make sure to clear the local database here. And once you make sure to clear the local database, from there on you should be able to go ahead and then basically actually open up Telegram. And once you open up Telegram, now you should be able to go ahead and then get the verification code, if that helps. If you have any further issues, make sure to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.